second thing that we need to do for our merit is to be able to clearly explain how we've allocated those probabilities and allocated the random numbers to the different outcomes that we're going to get. So we've already done it previously for achieved on looking at the random table. So you've got a table that explains which random numbers allocated to what. For merit, we want to be able to write that explanation up in words and have a justification with it. So looking at my example, if I'm talking about the chance of having a child with blue eyes, we know that that has a probability of 0.3. And then I can say, well, I've allocated the random numbers 1 to 2 and 3 to represent this, because, there's my keyword, because the 3 random numbers that I'm allocating to it matches that probability of 0.3, because 0.3 is a decimal, is the same as 3 out of 10. So that's my justification for why I'm allocating 3 random numbers to having a child with blue eyes. If we're talking about, these are probabilities only to 1 decimal place. If they're going to 2 decimal places, then you'll need to be talking about the probabilities in terms of something out of 100. Okay? And so I've gone on to represent, I've got the blue eyes, I then talk about the brown eyes, the green eyes, and the grey eyes. So I need to interpret all of those for my merit.